Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry for not posting for a while. I was waiting for school to finish to start uploading again because I just wanted to focus on finishing school. But with this out the way, I am still filming content. And today I have a video for a select few who might be interested, and that is a CandleScience unboxing. Haven't done a candle video in a while. I will be making candles soon, so watch out for that video. But I did order from CandleScience, and I don't have a ton of packages, but I do have two pretty big ones, actually three when I already opened, but I'll still show you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing them on camera and then telling you guys a little bit about CandleScience and about some of the stuff I got. This is not going to be like a review video because if you guys have seen previous videos on my channel, this is not my first time ordering from CandleScience. It's my go-to candle supply place, and I'm just going to be showing you some of the stuff I got from CandleScience to make some of my candles that I'm making for a business fair. So with that said, let's stop rambling and get right into the video.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Okay, so this is the first package I have. As you can see, it's pretty big, pretty heavy. Usually when you order candle supply, it's usually more heavier because candle stuff is usually more heavy because you're ordering wax and like all these other things, fragrance oils and pounds and ounces. So it's a little bit more heavy when you order candle stuff. I actually do not know what's in this packaging, but I'll have images, the pricing of everything somewhere on this side of the screen. But with that said, let's get into the cotton. So we're gonna cut this box up. So CandleScience, depending on what you're getting, the shipping is usually kind of expensive. Like I think I brought about $130 worth of stuff, and then the shipping was also $30. But since it's the shipping is usually expensive because the stuff you're ordering is usually really heavy, and that's why they try to use flat rate. But for candle supplies, that's normal. So but like if you're just like trying to start buying candles, don't be surprised if the shipping is like $60, or I think I paid $70 one time for shipping. That's normal, don't be surprised by that. But shipping on this order was about $30, $30 to $50 I think. So this is the package, and in this package it's one thing, and it's a big bag, 10 pounds I think, of soy wax. 10 pounds of soy wax. Order a lot of wax from CandleScience. So this is 464 Golden Brand 100% soy wax from CandleScience. I've been using this since I started making candles, and I am probably gonna forever use it because I'm in love. It does, you know, have soy wax issues with like sinkholes and like just some like aesthetic kind of issues, which are easy to fix with a heat gun. But I feel like the more you use it, the more you kind of get used to it and how it works and how it functions, and it gets easier to use each time. So as you can tell, I be getting a lot of this stuff. Sometimes their packaging though does come with a hole in it. Like a lot of the times when I order a lot of wax, usually 1 or 2 bags have rips in it for some reason. I don't know why their bags are ripped like this, but you just want to be careful because sometimes when you order wax, they usually are ripped. So kind of sucks, but I mean, hey, as long as it doesn't go all over the place, we're fine. So next box. All right, so the next box I'm going to be showing you guys is just this medium flat rate box. So in this box I had already opened it, but because I didn't think I was going to be doing a unboxing video, but I thought some people might want to see it. So in this box I just have, it came with like this Avery coupon, because some of the CandleScience, when you order jars, they have label recommendations, and the label people that they use are Avery labels, which I showed you guys and I talked about on this channel a little bit. But so it came with an Avery coupon, and then in this box it came with little bags of wax. So this is also Golden Brand 464 soy wax. The wax comes in different sizes. I don't remember the sizes, but I'll have them up right here. But this is one of the smaller 1 pound sizes. I ordered a couple of these because the amount of wax I needed to make my candles, I didn't just need to get like 2 big bags. It was just money things. So, but this is like the littler bag of it. So yeah, these are really cute. I love their packaging. Very nice, very like simple. I love it when it's not ripped, but very cute. So this just came with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 things of wax. I'm making a lot of candles, so I need a lot of wax. I'm actually not making that many. I'm making 24, but they're kind of bigger jars. Actually, I have a jar right here. They're these size. Got these jars on sale from Hobby Lobby. I think they were 50% off, so they're normally $270, but I got them for like $135 on sale. Got 24 of these, and I'm gonna be making my candles in those jars. But yep, usually their stuff also comes with packaging peanuts. This was like pretty stuffed full, so it didn't come with that many, but these are biodegradable. If you put these in water and mix it around, this will dissolve in water. Or if you're a small business, you can save these and use them in your packaging. But with that said, let's get on to the next one. All right, so the third and final packaging I ordered is right here. It's pretty light. I'm pretty sure this is all like the fragrance oils and accessories and stuff I ordered from there. But with that said, let's just cut it open and see what we got going on. All right, so in the box we just have a whole bunch of packaging peanuts. We have this box inside of a box. I know, amazing. I'll open that in a second. When you order over, let me see, yep, when you order over a certain amount of things, like in cash, I think the order amount's like, I think $60 or $50, you can select a free fragrance oil sample to come with your order. They have a whole bunch of 1 ounce fragrance oil samples you can get, and I usually get ones I think that I might make into a candle. And this is the one I decided to get. This was my free sample. It's called Sea Salt and Orchid. It's one of the newer ones on the CandleScience shop, and it just has like all the information on it like you would normally see on a CandleScience order, a CandleScience fragrance oil. So let's just smell this together. I see why it has, I think, 5 stars on the shop. That's euphoric. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I'll put the notes up there, but like, it smells like floral, but like not too like, it kind of smells like when you walk into Bath and Body Works or like a Victoria's, maybe like more Victoria's Secret. When you walk into there, that's what this smells like. It smells really good. I'm definitely gonna be making this into a candle scent on my shop, but yeah, this is awesome. But let's get into the other stuff. A whole bunch of packaging peanuts again. You can save those. So in here, I just have my fragrance oils that I ordered. I've talked about this on my page before. This is Bamboo and Coconut. I love, love, love this scent. One of my best selling scents. If you are a candle maker, I definitely recommend you try this out. This is just all around a great fragrance. It's super easy to work with, and 5 out of 5 stars. Definitely, like, I've been using this scent since I started my business 3 years ago. I've been using this, and this is great all around. I also got like a tinier version of it. I also got Day at the Spa, which is kind of I think it's a newer scent CandleScience just dropped. I got this as a free sample, and I was like, wow, this smells amazing. I'm gonna make it into a candle, so I got a bigger version this time. And yeah, this one doesn't smell like anything I sell yet. I usually tend to go for like more sweeter tropical scents. This one's kind of different. It's not too like, it kind of smells like really like floral, but like natural leaf floral. like natural stuff. It doesn't smell like synthetic floral, which is really nice. It's kind of different. It smells a little bit more green, but in a nice way. I really like it a lot. And if you're a candle maker, you should check that stuff out too. I got cinnamon and vanilla. This is like very spicy. Like whenever if you ever went to like in the fall time, went to a store and you smelled like their candles and like the kind of the Halloween, or not Halloween, but like fall collections, and you could really smell that like that spice. This is what this smells like. Let me smell this. I had got also a sample size of this a while ago, and I loved it because I don't really sell anything that's like very vanilla-ish, so I thought this would be a good thing than straight vanilla. This smells purely like cinnamon sticks. Like if you have cinnamon sticks in your cabinet, go sniff it. This is what that smells like. I have no other words, but it's really good if you like what cinnamon sticks smell like. I also got, again, another tiny bamboo and coconut. Is there anything else? Sometimes you gotta dig in here and see if you're missing anything. Alright, so I think that's it for everything in this box. So now we're gonna open up this. I'm pretty sure this is my Easy Wick setter. This is I got a multi-wick setter, so what this does is, if you want, I'm not going to be showing it in this video today, but if you guys want, I think I will talk about this setting tool and how to use it when I go to actually make the candles. I will be filming that. But this is just a wick setter tool to set your wicks evenly in the jar. There's a single one, so that will only set single wicks, and this one I believe this one will allow you to set not one wick. This one doesn't set one wick. This one sets 2 wick or triple wick candles jars. They usually fit most jars, but I know there are some people who make really large candles. And when I mean really large, I mean large candles, and this probably won't fit, but I think there is a supply. CandleScience only supplies 2. They supply the regular single wick and the multi-wick one. I think if you go straight to the seller though, which I'm not sure who it is, but I've seen a YouTube video about it once, they have they can make custom ones for you for your candle jars. So if you want me to put more information on that, just let me know and I can help you find that seller. The video was somewhere on YouTube. I just do not remember where it was. But so we're gonna open this up. So this over here comes with all the pieces and the tools, instructions, and again, wick stickums. Oh, I didn't know this came with this. So this actually comes with some wick tabs. Not wick tabs. I keep calling them wick tabs, but like wick stickers. If I confuse them, you know what I mean. It comes with wick stickers, and you put these at the bottom of your wick, like I shown in one of my previous videos, and then you stick them down instead of using like maybe hot glue or using wax. You can just stick these on the bottom and stick them in your jar, and they won't move. So this comes with some free ones, which I thought was really cool. I wasn't expecting that. Or maybe it says it comes with it in the listing, or I just wasn't paying attention, but I didn't think it came with that. And so this is the main tool. This is what you'd put on your jars. I'll set it up and I'll show you guys, but this is what it looks like. And then you put this part on your jar. So if your jar is like bigger than this piece, you won't be able to use this, but you can get custom ones made of these where they do fit your jar. But for example, I took this. See how it fits right on my jar? Yeah, and vice versa. If your jar is like smaller than this one, you're gonna have to get the single wick tool because it won't fit your jar. But this one fits perfectly in my jar. And yeah, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's put together. So I'll see you then. All right, y'all, welcome back. It took me a while, but I finally got it set up. So here it is. If you want a video on how I put it together, I'll be happy to make one or link one in the description that showed me how to put it together, because it does not come with instructions. Yeah, so right now I just put it together. This is what it looks like. So right here you can see the 2 wicks. Now all you would do is have your wick tabs. not your wig tabs. What you would do is you would 1 second, I can show you. Yeah, I just have wicks laying in my bedroom, but what you would do is you would take your wick. One of the pieces just fell off, sorry. All right, so what you would do, this piece just fell off. You should hot glue these if you get a chance, because these are super flimsy for some reason. I do not know why, but also, if you, this also single wicks, by the way. I was incorrect. You can use this for single wicking if you want, but what you do is you take the take your wick and you put it in this hole right here, and you want to make sure you have your wick tab on the bottom. And then what you do is you put it in the jar, and it holds the wick tab, it holds the wick in. You see how it's not coming out? Wick is not coming out, and you would press this down, and then the wick tab would stick this to the bottom, and then the wick would come out of the setter. But that's how this works. And then, you know, you just pull it out. But this is really good if you want to evenly wick each jar the same each time instead of hand wicking it, which can be a problem, especially if you're not just single wicking but you're double or triple wicking your jars. So really good device. It was about like $30. I have done without it for about 3 years, but looking back, it should be one of the first items you get when starting your candle business. It will help you a lot, and it will help a whole bunch of things that can go bad with wicking. It will just help eliminate those. So with that said, that's actually everything I got from CandleScience. Again, they're my go-to place, so obvious 5 out of 5 stars. I'll have everything that I got linked down in the description of the video if you want to check any of the stuff out. And if this video helped you, found it entertaining at all, or anything like that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps this channel out so much. And if you have any video recommendations, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. I'd be happy to do them and fulfill your request. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a very, very, very spectacular day. Goodbye.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good